Husqvarna.
Where does beauty end? Or begin? What is style? And can it even be measured? Does innovation really need to be complex? In our chaotic modern culture, where everyone has an opinion, who decides what's hot? And what's not? This guy? Her? Them? Or are you more than just another face? Things move really fast. When next week's pioneer was last week's madman. But is your success really defined by simply reaching a destination? When our world is already overloaded with too much of everything, silence can be the most profound act of all. We chose to forget everything we knew about contemporary street motorcycles. Then trimmed away every single little thing that wasn't needed and began with just the bare essentials. Vitpilen. Simple, progressive,